Hello. Today I will introduce you to the language and programming system KuMir. KuMir is known as Set of Educational Worlds, is a programming system designed to support the initial courses of computer science and programming in secondary and high schools. Features of the KuMir system. It uses a school algorithmic language with Russian vocabulary and built-in executors robot and draftsman. When entering a program, KuMir constantly monitors its correctness, informing in the fields of the program about all detected errors. When executing the program in step-by-step mode, KuMir displays the results of assignment operations and the values of logical expressions on the fields. This allows you to speed up the process of mastering the basics of programming. KuMir works in Windows, Mac OS and GNU or Linux operating systems. The KuMir system was developed by order of the Russian Academy of Sciences to help high school students to comprehend the basics of programming and test their skills in workshops. Everyone can use KuMir indefinitely on any number of computers for any purpose without any additional documents. Here are some examples of work in the KuMir programming system. Thanks for your attention. Bye.